everyone, I'm a rocket, I'm a super machine. My name is PSLV, Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle. I'm used to launch satellites in space. Do you know about space? We have 8 planets in our solar system. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Jupiter is the biggest planet and Mercury is the smallest planet. I carry satellites, and satellites are used to study about space and planets like Earth, Mars, Moon, and also Sun. It rotates around the planets and sends photos and many more information to the scientists. My body has a nose cone, body tube, and fins. I'm launched from a launch pad. I have a very powerful engine, and my engine pushes me forward in a very high speed. I'm also used in military research and spaceflight. I love to travel in space to see beautiful stars and colorful planets. Thank you.